These days, if you have some tomatoes and cheese at home, you can quickly make this tasty sandwich. For this sandwich, first we need to cut tomatoes into half. Add minced garlic, pepper powder, salt and olive oil into tomatoes and mix lightly. Then we need to bake these tomatoes around 25 to 30 minutes under 190 degrees Celsius until they are roasted. After that, let's spread butter on one side of the bread and keep that side down. On the top side, keep grated cheese and tomatoes. Spread butter on the other bread slice and keep it on tomatoes with butter side up. Place the sandwich on a non-stick pan and cook around 3 to 4 minutes by flipping the bread until the sides become golden brown. For a better taste, we need to serve this hot. If you like this video, like, comment and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching my video.